The bubble film making machine is a twin-screw, single-sided extruder, which produces two-layer bubble film products. The bottom layer and bubble layer are respectively controlled by each screw. After melting, the raw material is extruded by the T-die. Water-cooled forming roller adopts negative pressure forming. The leftover materials are crushed by the recycling machine and returned to the extruder for reuse. The traction roller drives the product to align and cut. The machine also equips with auto cutting. After reaching the default meter, it will automatically change, cut, and roll up.